Percentages. If you know percentages, then profit and loss becomes easy. Compound interest, before that simple interest becomes easy. And also partnership. All these are interlinked with percentages. So first of all, what is percentage? Percent. A number divided by, simply we can write by 100, we can say percentage. Suppose 2 by 100, we can say it as 2 percentage. Or 0.03, can say 3 percentage. Or 3 by 10, we can say 30 percentage. Because in the denominator 100 must be, so multiply 10 by 10, numerator becomes 30 and the denominator becomes 100. So 30 percentage. 4.3 percentage can be written as 43 by or 1000. 43 by 1000, because 4.3 can be written as 4.3 by 100. So into 10 by 10 can be written as 43 by 1000. And here we need to learn very important thing, that conversion of fraction into percentage or percentage into fraction. So first of all, half is what percentage? So half into 100, just multiply by 100. Any fraction if you multiply by 100, it will convert into percentage. Then 1 by 3 into 100 is equal to 33 1 by 3. Then 2 by 3 into 100 gives 66 2 by 3. Now you have to divide this, like 2 by 3 into 100 means 200 by 3. You need to divide 3 6 18 and the difference is 20. 3 6 18, the difference 2. So 66 quotient, remainder in the numerator, denominator divisor. Then 3 by 3 will be 1. Then 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 100 is equal to 25 percentage. Then 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is what? Half, 50 percentage. Then 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is, either you can write 1 by 4 into 3 or otherwise directly 3 by 4 into 100 will give 75. Then 4 by 4 is 1. Then 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 20 percentage. 1 by 5 is 20 percentage. Then 2 by 5. So now 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 100 is equal to 20 percentage. Then 2 by 5 into 100 gives 40 percentage. Then 3 by 5 into 100 gives 60 percentage. 4 by 5 80 percentage. 5 by 5 is 1. Remember this, 5 by 5 is what? 1 in the sense, 1 is, what is 1? A whole number. 1 is 100 percentage. Complete number. Complete number. Then 1 by 6 into 100 is equal to 16. 100 how many times it goes? 16 times. 16 6 96. What is the difference? 4 by 6. 4 by 6, but goes by, so 16 2 by 3. Then 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 we already found that 33 1 by 3 percentage or 33.33. Then 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is half, 50 percentage. Then 4 by 6 into 100, which is 2/3. 2/3 is what? 2 by 3 into 100. We already found that 66 2 by 3 percentage. Then 1 by 5. Sorry, 1 by 6 or 5 by 6. Already we found. So 5 by 6 is into 100 is equal to 80, 83 1 by 3 percentage. Now you have to practice all this till what number? Till what number? Till minimum 1 by 13. 1 by 13 till what? 12 by 13. Sometimes more than that. How the question they will ask. See that? How the question they will ask. 27.27 percentage of what we will take 363 plus 44.44 percentage of 360. So what is the answer? Most of them will try to do like 27.27 percentage means by 100. They won't get the answer if they do like this. Then how to do that? Now what is 1 by 9 value? 1 by 9 percentage. Convert this into 5 percentage into 100. How many times it goes? 9 11s 99 and the difference is 1. Put a point. So again it goes by 1 1. So 1 by 9 is 11.11, but here if you see 44.44 is there. So to get 44.44 we need to multiply by 4, means 4 by 9. So this value is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 of 360. Now it becomes easy. Plus 27.27. 1 by 11 value. 1 by 11 value. 1 by 11 into 100. So 11 how many times it goes? 9 times. Point. 11 9 is 99. If you put a point, 1 remainder. So 0. Again 9. 9.09. So 27.27 multiply by 3 means 3 by 11. So 3 by 11 into 363. Now how many times it goes? 11. 33 times. Means 99 plus 9 40. 440 is 160. So total answer 9 259. So 259 is our answer. So hope you understood this. Then this is most important. A percentage of B is nothing but B percentage of A, or otherwise we can write this as B by 100 into A. Also we can write AB by 100, or otherwise AB percentage. AB percentage. Okay. Most important. AB percentage. So how it will be helpful to us? See this. 96% of 50 plus 480% of 25. Now actually 96% of 50 may be somewhat difficult. Like we can write 96 by 100, then 50 and 100 get cancelled. But see, if I write the same number as 50% of 96, what is it? 50% means half. Half of 96 is 48. It becomes much easier than the before. And also, than 480 percentage, 25 percentage means 1/4. 1/4 value of 480 is 120. So plus 120. So total 168. It become easy. Next point. Next important thing is, what is suppose 60 is what percent of 120? 60 is what percent of 120? So 60 is equal to what percent of, we don't know, x percent of 120. Now 60 is equal to x by 100 into 120. Then x is equal to, now 60, the denominator 100, if it goes numerator, into 100, 120 by 120. So see how it become. 60 is what percent of 120 means directly I can write 60 by 120 into 100. Now say that A is what percent of b, means a by b into 100, that's all. X is what percent of b, or y, sorry, means x combination is y, so that is y. X by y into 100. Huh? So this is how we can do the questions. Then calculating of 10 percentage of a number, but 10 percentage is nothing but 10 by 100 into x. 10 by 100 means 0 0, if I remove, multiply by 10. Multiply any number by 10 is nothing but a number. If you are multiplying by 10, 1 by 10, or otherwise dividing by 10, means to the number from the right hand side you are moving the decimal to one digit, means 10% of 20. Hereafter I don't write like 10% means 10 by 100, then I'm cancelling 1 by 10. Now 1 by 10 into 20, 0 0 cancel to all these. I don't want to write. What I told, multiplying means 10% means 1 by 10. 1 by 10, multiplying a number by 1 by 10 means the decimal should move from one digit, from the rightmost to one digit. So 2.0, so 2. Got it? And suppose 10% of 30. 10% of 30 is 3. 46. 10% of 46. 4.6. 10% of 583. 58.3. 58.3. So it goes like that. It goes in that way. Now the question starts. How they will ask was, if 1% is, then next is 1%. After calculating 10, then 1. Suppose 360. 1% is, but 10% means we moved one decimal from the right hand side. Now 10% is, 1% means 2 digits from the right hand side, 2 digits. So 3.60. 3.60. Suppose 4,800. 1% of that means 48, 2 digits. 5896. 1% of this from the right hand side, 2 digits, means 58.96. Now once we calculate, we are able to calculate 1%, 1%, or 2%, or 10%, 1%, then comes 2%, 3%, or 20%, 30%. Now see, 20% of 60. First say 10%. 10% of 60 is 6. Then 20% is 12. 30% of 80. 10% of 80 is 8. Then 30% is into 3, 24. It becomes easy. Suppose 20% of 92. Sorry. Okay, 9.2. It becomes 10% is 0.92 into 2. So 1.84. Slowly, step by step. Suppose 4,000. 2%. 2% of 4,000 is, 1% of 4,000 is 40. 2% will be 8. So it helps doing the questions like this. Okay, then next, in profit and loss, on calculating profit percentage, we write that profit by CP into 100, or otherwise loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Why every time denominator CP? The reason is that we are comparing. They are saying that you got a loss or a profit. By how? by seeing CP. In the same way, suppose if I say that 10 and 15, if I compare, which is biggest here? 15 is biggest. By how much? 5. By what percentage? Okay, now come again. You are saying that 15 is biggest comparing to 10. So the 10 must be in the denominator into 100. So it becomes 50%. Then, now 10 is smaller than by 15 by what number? Again, 10 is smaller than by 15 by 5. By what number means? Percentage if they ask means 5 less than, compare it to 15 into 100. 10 is compare it to 15, 5 less than. Now percentage means 15, 5 ones, 5 threes. 33, 1 by 3 percentage. Got it? So by this what we understood? A question we have solved indirectly. What is that was? A number when increased by 50%, to bring back the original value, many will say, I can decrease 50%. No. We have to decrease 33, 1 by 3%. This is the proof. Suppose 10. Now again we are going to see the link. We are going to solve one more question in this. Now see, on 10, if I increase 50% means on 10 into 50 by 100. Now see, 51s, 52s, 2 ones, 2 5s. So it become 15. Hereafter, I am going to increase 50% means directly I will write 150 by 100. How? Let me show. Let us think that this calculation part is not done. In this both 10 is common. If I put out 10 common, then 1 plus 50 by 100. Now take LCM. It becomes 10 into 150 by 100. 10 into 150 by 100. So a number increased by 50 means 150%. A number increased by 40% means 140 by 100. In the same way, in cost price and selling price, if you get a profit of 20%, what is the meaning? I bought an article for 100 rupees. I am selling that at 120% profit means 120%. So selling price is 20% more than CP means 120. Means we are calculating 20% extra of a number. Hope you understood the logic. Suppose a value, if I want to reduce 10%, increase in the sense what we are writing, 100 plus 10 we are writing. Decrease means 100 minus 10. That's all. So how much it become? 10, 10, 0, 0. It become 15. Now 15, to go to 10, what should I reduce? Then in the denominator 50 into 100. So 1 by 3 into 100. Already we know that 33, 1 by 3. Hope you understood what we are doing. This is how the concept goes. Then suppose if I take 3 numbers, they say like a number is 2 times of, let A is 2 times of B. The meaning is that A is 2 times of B means A by B is equal to 2. Meaning is that A is 200% of B. A is 200% of B. Suppose, now see, if 2 numbers are in the ratio 2:1, 2:1 means compared to this, it is 100% more. or compared to this it is 100% less, or compared to this it is 200%. The way the questions will be asked. And a value, suppose x value or otherwise p value, any value, if I increase by 10% means we have to write 110 by 100, then 20% is 120 by 100, then 30% is 130 by 100. Finally it is equal to value. Now what is the initial value is x is equal to y into 3 times 100 multiplied means 100 into 100 into 100 divided by 110, 120, 130. This is how the question goes. Okay. So with this basics, we try to solve the questions. Okay.